This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Alright, so hello everyone and welcome back. Here we have smallseotools.com. This is an awesome SEO tool. Well, it's not just an SEO tool, there's about 30 or more here, and they're all free to use, and they've been all gathered together, and they're absolutely awesome. So here we go, there's the many different sections. We have content tools, and then we have image handling tools, we have keywords tools, backlink tools, website tools, tracking tools, proxy tools, domain tools, meta tools, password tools, and finally PDF tools. So that is everything. I'm just going to show you a few of them, how to use them, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Tell you all about the website and why you should use it and why it's so great. So first of all, I'm just going to have a look at one, and we'll be going straight to WordPress theme detector. So if you see a website you like, just use this and you will find out which WordPress theme it's using. So we're going to type in our blackbricktraining.co.uk domain name and then click check and let it just do its thing, and then wait a second, and then it will just pass you the information that you have requested. So it will just take a minute and then let it load in and let it just gather all the information from your website or the website which you're trying to get the WordPress theme from. And this is great if you're looking for a website theme and you don't know which one to use, but you found one you do like on another site, but you're thinking, what even is it? So if you just use this free tool here, you can find out really easily and quickly. Okay, so here we go. If I just scroll down, you can see the results. It says what version it is. It says that it's a multi-purpose, responsive, parallax, mobile-friendly slider plugin for WordPress. And you can see the theme name is btheme. The homepage is here. The description of the theme is here. The author homepage, the version, screenshot, and then so on and so forth, all the different parts of information about it. So yeah, that's that. You can then click try new URL to see another website's WordPress theme. So yeah, that's awesome. That one's really helpful if you're looking for a WordPress theme. And then let's look at another one. So if we just keep scrolling down, we can have a look at another one. So let's have a look at this one, keyword position. So if we paste in moz.com, which is a really well-known SEO blog, and then just type in a few different keywords. There we go, we've just put in 3 different keywords. We've got SEO, SEO tips, and optimization. And then if we go down and just click check position, and here we go, SEO keyword starting on google.com. It is on page 1, position 1. Awesome. SEO tips, google.com, page 1, position 14. And then finally, optimization, position 71. So yeah, there we go. From the 3 keywords we've put in, we also have the keyword position. So that is absolutely fantastic. So if you type in SEO on Google, you can see that it will appear in number 1. If you type SEO tips on Google, you will appear at 14, and then optimization is at 71. And then if we just type in SEO optimization instead, it'll be a lot higher, as of course it's a SEO blog. So let's just type that in. So once again, we've got SEO, position 1, page 1, yep. Page 1, position 14 for SEO tips. And then we've got, I'm guessing, page 1 for SEO optimization. Yep, there we go, page 1, position 5. Awesome. So that's nice and easy to use and absolutely fantastic. Now we're going to go back to the home page and try out one more of their tools and have a look at it. So here we have website broken link checker. So we're going to click on this one. We're just going to paste in our domain, blackbricktraining.co.uk, and click check, and then let it load. We've got a few links in our website, but not too many, so it won't take too long, I'd say. Here we go. So first of all, we have got Black Brick Training. Okay, we've got the mail, which is not working. That's really helpful for me to know. And then we've got the next one, which is working. Instagram, which is not working. That's not our Instagram account, so that would be why. And what have we got next? We've got okay. These are all ones working. It's fantastic. That's good. That's very good. It's good to see that they're all working so far, other than just that one and that one. These are both easy to fix though, so there's no problem there. And these are still all okay so far, other than those 2. And that's absolutely awesome. And then we've just got the same link a ton of times. And yeah, so we've got 76 links it's checking here. Instagram again, so that one obviously won't work. But let's just make sure all of the others are good. So these are of course all going to be fine as it's the same link over and over and over again. So I'll skip ahead to when it's all done. Awesome, so that is absolutely all of them now done. This last one's not going to work as obviously it's the Instagram one again. And we have another fail here which is once again the Instagram link, so I'm just going to make sure I fix that. But all of the others are working. As you can see, every single one of them is okay, apart from the Instagram ones and this mail to one at the very top. But I can fix that easily as well. So that is absolutely awesome. It's just the Instagram link which I have to fix, so there's no problem there. So as you can see, this is an awesome website, Small SEO Tools. There's tons of different tools for you to use for free, and they're all really good, so I'd recommend it to everyone. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, I hope you learned a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.